A lighthouse is 10 units of distance northwest of a dock. A ship leaves at 8 a.m. and travels at 12 units of distance per hour. At what time will the ship be 8 units of distance from the lighthouse? Okay, so drawing natin. So may lighthouse daw. So top view na lang yung drawing ko. Ito kunwari yung lighthouse. Tapos, ito daw ay matatagpuan northwest ng dock. So let's say nandito yung dock. So pag sinabing northwest, 45 degrees. Ayan. Okay? Tapos yung distance niya 10 units, ang distance niya to 10. Okay? Tapos merong ship na manggagaling sa dock na magta-travel actually hindi sinabi no kung ano yung travel niya. Okay, so dapat meron dito the ship travels west. No? So dagdag na lang natin, the ship travels west. Okay, so papunta siya dito. Okay, tapos yung rate binigay naman. Ang rate ay 12 units per hour. So ang tinatanong lang sa atin, kailan daw yung distance ng ship ay nasa 8 units mula sa lighthouse. So let's say at any time nandito yung ship. So kailan daw ito 8? Ayan. Okay? So at what time? So basically, we can create a triangle here. Okay, we're in, meron ka nitong side na to, meron ka nitong side na to. Tapos ito can be in terms of the rate. 'Di ba? Ang distance ay rate times time. So we can say that this is 12t. Okay, if we would let t as our time. Okay? And then all we have to do is to solve this triangle. No? So to solve this triangle, we can make use of ano ba maganda? You can use sine law, you can use cosine law, pero mas maganda cosine law na lang gamitin natin. So by cosine law, so bali ito yung meron tayong angle ha. So ang ihihiwalay natin is itong side na to. So 8 squared is equal to 12t squared plus 10 squared minus 2 times 12t times 10 times cosine of 45. Okay? And dito, you have to be careful kasi sa scenario na to, it might be that this triangle is oblique. No? Pag sinabing oblique, merong dalawang possible na answers or para dun sa third side. And to check that, let's solve this manually, no? Using, ano lang naman to? Quadratic, no? Quadratic lang naman yan. So, magiging, 12 squared, t squared, ito. Tapos, itong part na to, magiging negative 2 times 12 times 10 times cosine 45. Tapos, may t dito. Tapos, itong 10 squared may iwan, tapos transpose natin sa kabila. So, plus 10 squared minus 8 squared. So, lahat ng to equal sa 0. So, quadratic yan ha. Ito yung ano natin, A. Ito yung B. Ito yung B. Ito yung C. Okay? So, we can use quadratic. So, 12 squared, negative 2 times 12 times 10 times cosine 45. Check mo lang kung naka-degrees, no? Naka-degrees tayo. Tapos, 10 squared minus 8 squared. Okay, yung t na lalabas ay 0.9 at saka 0.277. So, dalawa. Okay, so hours, ito hours. Okay, so kung i-convert natin sa minutes, That gives us 54.06. And 16.62. Ayan. So dalawa, no? Dalawang beses siya magiging 8 unit distance mula dun sa lighthouse. Bakit? Tingnan niyo maigi. Kapag nagpatuloy itong mag-travel, hindi ba makakarating siya at a certain position na po pwede na yung layo na to, 8 din. Okay? So ibig sabihin, itong naunang to, ito yung 16 minutes. Tapos itong pangalawang beses, ito yung 54 minutes. Okay? And dito, ang nasa choices lang is yung pangalawang beses. Okay? Kasi hindi niya naman in-specify kung ano yung specific na tinatanong niya. Okay? Pero kung halimbawa, naka-specify, no? At what time will the ship be 8 units of distance from the lighthouse for the first time? Ang sagot mo, etong 16. Okay? O kaya, at what time will the ship be 8 units of distance from the lighthouse for the second time? Ang sagot mo, itong 54 minutes. Okay? So, that is how you solve this problem. No?